Hey guys, you welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making vegetable sauce. So right here I'm just adding my palm oil and mixing it with the vegetable oil, and now we are going to be frying this Titus fish. Yeah, it's a fish sauce and it is amazing, guys. So this fish, as you can see, is clean, and I didn't add anything, no seasoning whatsoever. And here, as you can see, I'm just turning this because I didn't want this fish to be too dry. I wanted all the juiciness, everything retained. So my name is Blessing Ogboro. By the way, you are welcome to my space and my kitchen. Yeah, so as you can see, this fish is looking so good and yummy. Now I'm adding my onion. This onion, I actually grated it. You can chop it, you can use your blender to blend it, whatever you like, just do you. But this is the best way to go, guys. Or you can use your food processor for this. Actually, that is a very perfect option for you. So if you've not subscribed, by the way, please subscribe, click on it and like. So right now we are adding the iru. Yeah, the Yoruba people will know what iru is. It is actually very good for your eyes. It is all good, and this sauce is kind of traditional kind of sauce, and it is amazing. So now I just proceeded to adding my pepper mix. This is a pepper mix that contains just atarodo and tatashe. That's just all I use, no tomato whatsoever. Can you believe that, guys? So I'm just stirring this to incorporate, and here I am adding my crayfish. You want this sauce to be 70% ready before adding your crayfish, because we want to feed that taste. We want that taste of crayfish to be given at the end of this meal. So right now everything is just making poto, and now I'm just going to be adding just 3 stock cubes, and this sauce is actually giving. By this time the kitchen was everywhere. It was just giving like, who is making that, you know, that kind of native sauce in this house? Oh yes, sauce, oh yes, stew. Like, it was giving. But you know me, we are going to take it a step further. I've added the salt just to taste. A little goes a long way because you don't want it to be salty. Now we just stir. As you can see, poto. The oil has floated to the top, and now we are putting in. Just add in your vegetable, and I blanched this vegetable with just hot water, so it is almost ready. And now I'm just stirring because I was already hungry. I've not eaten since morning, guys, but then it was just like, this is what I was really craving, and it was everything I imagined it to be, and it was giving what I really wanted. So guys, as you can see, this is a very healthy meal, and I paired it with rice and beans. Guys, this is a meal that you will give your kids, and then they will thank you for it. So if you are a mommy, if you are young, if you are daddy, then this food is actually for you. Go into the kitchen, make this for your loved ones, and thank me later. My name still remains Blessing Ogboro. Stay blessed, and God bless you guys. Have a wonderful time with your family and enjoy your time. Merry Christmas.